welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share mango oats chia seed bowl. It's a great breakfast option cause mangoes, chia seeds and oats are highly rich in fiber, antioxidants and calcium too, and is very easy to make and recreate in your kitchen. So let's get started with the recipe. 2 cup milk, 1 cup oats, 3 teaspoon chia seeds. Mix oats into the milk. Now mix chia seeds into it. Mix well. Okay, now keep it into the fridge for overnight. I'm all set to have my breakfast. As you can see here, oats and chia seeds are swelled up fully so well and so thick now. After keeping it in the fridge for overnight, they have done all. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of honey. It's organic honey here. Now I am adding some roughly chopped cashew nuts, and pouring some chopped mangoes. Now I am mixing it. The consistency here is so well and smooth. Transferring it into a bowl. Now garnish it with some nuts, cashew nuts, some mangoes, some more mangoes, little decoration here, and my super healthy breakfast is ready, which makes me fuller for a long time. So guys, this is how we make mango oats chia seed bowl. It is extremely simple and easy to make, and I would love you to recreate in your kitchen and would share this recipe with me in my channel. If you really like this recipe, so please make it 1 like and subscribe it my channel and do comment. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and bye.